One thing that I really enjoy about being vegan, plant forward, plant based, whichever one that you identify with, is that the imagination that you have to have in order to have the same types of foods that you would have eaten if it had meat involved versus no meat at all. And the one thing that I am excited about is I used to love tuna fish. Like, tuna fish was my go-to. You put a tuna fish sandwich in front of me, I was living. It was one of those things that my mom used to make and just have in the refrigerator. And now that I have been vegan for almost 9 years, I have 3 recipes that will allow me to still have the nostalgia of when my mom used to make it. And if you have tomatoes, carrots, or chickpeas, I can turn those into 3 tuna dishes that you are going to forget that you even like the real thing. I know it's hard to believe that you can make beans taste like tuna fish, but chickpeas are the next best thing whenever you are craving a tuna fish sandwich. It is so quick to make, and you can keep it in your refrigerator for over a couple of days, and you can eat it with crackers, you can eat it with chips. And the key to making it taste like tuna fish is adding seaweed. But there is this dope ingredient at Trader Joe's called Furikake, and I put that on anything that I want to have a seafood taste to it. Chickpeas are so high in protein, and they are very budget friendly. You can buy them dry, and you can also buy them in a can, and they will not blow your budget. This is my favorite trick for rolling spring rolls. For the longest time, I would always tear it. I started wetting the wood board, but to have moist, wet paper towels underneath will save you time, and they will make everything easier to roll. The trick is just to dampen the spring rolls, but keep the towels wet, because it'll help you to maneuver it. Because they are very, 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 very delicate. And in order to make giant spring rolls, you have to put about 2 or 3 down. But I know that there are bigger spring roll wrappers you can find at the Asian store. But this did the trick, and this was so good. So the next thing that we are going to do is use carrots as tuna. And carrots are versatile because you can also use them for carrot lox, because lox is normally used with salmon, but it mimics the texture of that if you prepare it a certain way. You can boil your carrots or you can do them raw. What I like to do is use the remainders of, once you juice, there's always pulp, and it is sliced up. It is sliced up perfectly for doing tuna. It's light, it's already shredded, and all you have to do is add your ingredients. So far, we've used chickpeas and we have used carrots. But my favorite way and what I eat all summer long is tuna poke made with tomatoes. Let me show you how fire this is going to be. The first thing you have to do is cut the slits into a tomato. I like to choose the more harder tomatoes because whenever you blanch it, the skin peels right off. And FYI, if you're going to cut these up, you can either use a knife or you can use one of the fancy like slicers. If I'm pressed for time, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use a knife. But the smaller the pieces, the smaller it soaks up all of the flavors that you are putting together. And it's best if you chill it overnight in the refrigerator because all of the flavors like the sesame oil, the CoconutAminos, the garlic powder, and the Furikake blended together. You can use this as a little salsa. You can use it for a plethora of things, but I like to put them on tacos or I will just put it on a salad. But yeah, this tastes so good and it is so light, especially for in the summer when you're not really trying to eat a whole bunch of things, but you are, wanting something savory. This is the dish. This is the dish. Three ways to do tuna with plants as the main ingredient. Have you ever tried this before? When I say that these are light, they're delicious, they're easy, they're full of nutrients, and what better way to fill your belly with light, delicious plants? Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and comment below what your favorite plant substitute is for tuna, and I'll see you in the next video.